In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test a FlutterFlow app on iPhone. If you want to quickly preview and interact with your app on a real iPhone, FlutterFlow makes that process very straightforward. Instead of doing a full build right away, you can use the companion app to test changes live, which is especially helpful when you want to check layout, navigation, and overall usability on an actual device. The first thing you need to do is download the FlutterFlow app from the iOS App Store. This is the companion app you'll use on your iPhone to open and test your project. Make sure the app is fully installed before moving on, since you'll need it in a moment to connect your phone to your FlutterFlow project. Next, go to your FlutterFlow project in your web browser. In the top right area of the interface, look for the test mode section. There should be a drop-down menu next to it. Click that drop-down and choose mobile. This tells FlutterFlow that you want to prepare the project for testing on a mobile device rather than just previewing it in the browser. If you don't see the expected mobile option right away, just take a second to confirm you're in the correct project and viewing the main builder interface. Once mobile is selected, click Generate QR Code. FlutterFlow will create a QR code that acts like a quick connection point between your web project and the app on your iPhone. This is what allows your phone to open the live version of your project for testing. Keep that QR code visible on your computer screen because you'll need to scan it in the next step. Now pick up your iPhone and open the FlutterFlow companion app. If this is your first time using it, the app may ask for camera access. Go ahead and allow that permission, since the camera is required to scan the QR code from your computer screen. After that, use the app to scan the code you just generated. Once the scan is complete, your app should open inside the companion app, and you can begin interacting with it live on your iPhone. This is the best time to tap through screens, test buttons, check spacing, and make sure everything behaves the way you expect on a real device. If something doesn't look right, you can go back to FlutterFlow, make adjustments, and test again. That's how to test a FlutterFlow app on iPhone using the FlutterFlow companion app.